Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about books. I'm a bibliophile, so I cannot stay without books. So starting first book in our list is this is taking time, so I already opened the list of books. And first is The Built to Serve by Ivan Carmichael. The title itself tells you find your purpose and become the leader you were born to be. So this is a must read, right? Next comes on the list is I need to refresh each and every link. Yeah, so this the second book which I am talking is about Captivate. The science of succeeding with people, getting along with people is very much important. So this is my best author Vanessa Van Edwards, and she has written this amazing book how to deal with people. Next comes on the list. This is a third product, by the way. The internet connection is, or I must stop this right now in order to. So the next thing is here what everybody is saying. This is by John Navarro, an ex FBI agent, and he also says that explains us that how body language plays a crucial role in our day-to-day life. So this is also a must. So this was a third book I guess in our list, and now the fourth one is Who Moved by Cheese. Who Moved My Cheese by Dr. Spencer Johnson. This is also an amazing book, and what he tries that it is enlightened story of four characters who live in a maze and look for a cheese to nourish them. So it is a story kind of thing, right? So you can go with this book, it's amazing. And next book in the list is The Subtle Art of Not Giving Fuck by Mark Manson. This is a self-help amazing book. It talks about our how you can be a better version of yourself. Next on the list is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. I was having this book in my list, but I was not able to communicate you. But this is also amazing book who talks about achieving your dreams. So till now we have talked about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this was the sixth, and next 7 on the list we are having is Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. Meditation plays a very quite important role in our day-to-day life to become our greatest version. And if you want to know the basics of meditation, this is a must book by of Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. Next in our list is The Rudest Book Ever. It is by Shweta Gangwar. I already made a video regarding this, but I was not able to communicate you again with this book. This is also amazing book, a one national bestseller, and he's also having this person a YouTube channel. You can check that out, right? He shares amazing thing, right? How to stop procrastination is his main fundamental. Next on the our list is Influence, the Psychology of Persuasion by Robert B. Cialdini. Now this is also dealing with people, the psychology of how to persuade people. Right now it is very much important to get to know the people, to how to become social and how to communicate effectively. So this is also the must book for a people thing. Next on our list is by my amazing person Gaur Gopal Das, who I follow everywhere on social media, and he is an amazing person. And he has also written this amazing book, Life Amazing Secret: How to Find Balance and Purpose in Your Life. This is also self category. So I have basically done these all these books in two categories. One to help you with dealing with people, and the next is for self help to find balance and purpose in your life. So I hope this is useful. This is a totally new list, right? I will mention my book list in the description, and I will also mention the link of all the books in the description so you can buy all this book, right? And right now lot of things are at cheaper rate available. As you can see, the Kindle edition is just 70 rupees, right? So you can go for it. So I hope you are enjoying this content, and if you are new, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the creator of your own life. You can become whatever we want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye, peace.